Hi everyone. Welcome to this guide. Today, we are tackling a common issue, manually resizing your Windows recovery environment, or WinRE, partition on Windows 10 Home. This is often necessary when Windows updates fail because the existing recovery partition is too small to accommodate the update. We will walk through the steps carefully, ensuring you can successfully adjust your WinRE partition size. This process involves using the command prompt and disk part, so please pay close attention to each command and step. First, you need to open command prompt as an administrator. Right-click the Start button, then select Command Prompt, Admin, or Windows PowerShell, Admin. If PowerShell opens, simply type CMD and press Enter to switch to the command prompt. Once the command prompt is open, we need to check the current status of your WinRE. Type reagentc.exe and press Enter. This will show you if WinRE is enabled and its current location. Next, we must disable WinRE before making any changes to its partition. Type reagentc/disable and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the operation was successful. Now, we need to create some unallocated space for our new, larger WinRE partition. Open Disk Management by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Disk Management. Locate your main C drive partition. Right-click on it and choose Shrink Volume. You will be prompted to enter the amount of space to shrink. We need to create at least 750 megabytes to 1 gigabyte of unallocated space after your C drive. A good safe number to enter for 1 gigabyte is 1024 megabytes. Enter this value into the field and then click Shrink. This action will create a block of unallocated space directly after your C drive. Now, we will use diskpart to manage the partitions more precisely. Go back to your administrative command prompt window. Type diskpart and press Enter. This opens the diskpart utility. Type list disk and press Enter to see all your connected drives. Identify your main system drive, which is usually disk 0. Type select disk 0, replace 0 if your system drive has a different number, and press Enter. Now, type list partition and press Enter. You will see a list of all partitions on the selected disk. Identify your old WinRE partition. It is typically labeled as a recovery type partition, often around 450 to 500 megabytes in size, usually located after your C drive. Take careful note of its partition number. Type select partition X, replace X with the number of your old WinRE partition, and press Enter. To delete it, type delete partition override and press Enter. Be extremely careful at this stage. Ensure you have selected the correct partition to avoid data loss. With the old WinRE partition successfully deleted and unallocated space available, we can now create the new, larger WinRE partition. Ensure you are still within disk part and have your main system disk selected. Type create partition primary size equals 1024 or whatever size you decided, for example, 750 for 750 megabytes, and press Enter. This command creates a new primary partition in the unallocated space. Next, we need to format it. Type format quick fs equals ntfs label equals recovery and press Enter. Now, it is crucial to give this new partition the correct partition type ID so Windows recognizes it as the recovery environment. Type set ID equals D94BBA40601440A16ABFD50179223C6 and press Enter. This is the specific GUID for a Windows recovery environment partition. If your disk is a GPT disk, which most modern Windows installations are, you also need to set specific attributes for the recovery partition. Type GPT attributes equals 0x8000000000000001 and press Enter. This command marks the partition as a required recovery partition. Once all these commands are executed, type exit to leave disk part. Finally, we need to re-enable WinRE and verify that everything is working correctly. Back in the regular command prompt, not disk part, type reagentc/enable and press Enter. You should receive a confirmation message that the operation was successful. To double-check and ensure WinRE is pointing to your newly created and resized partition, type reagentc/info again. This time, it should show WinRE is enabled and indicate the correct location of your new, larger recovery partition. Congratulations, you have successfully resized your WinRE partition, preventing future update issues. Thank you so much for watching this guide. I hope this detailed walkthrough was clear and incredibly helpful for you in managing your Windows 10 system. If you found this video useful and appreciated the step-by-step instructions, please give it a thumbs up to support us. Your positive feedback means a lot. Also, consider subscribing for more helpful tech tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and guides on optimizing your computer. We appreciate you being here, and we'll see you in the next video.